In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a portfolio dashboard in Smartsheet so you can track projects, metrics, and important updates from one central location. First, log into your Smartsheet account and click the Create button. From the available options, select Dashboard to create a new dashboard. Next, enter a name for your dashboard and choose a layout that fits your needs. This will be the foundation of your portfolio view. On the right side, you'll find different widgets you can add to your dashboard. Use title widgets for section headers, report widgets for live project data, metric widgets for key numbers, and chart widgets to visualize performance. You can also add timeline widgets to track project schedules and shortcut widgets for quick access to important sheets and reports. Arrange the widgets in a way that makes your dashboard easy to read and customize the appearance as needed. Once everything looks good, save your dashboard and share it with your team if required. That's it. You've successfully created a portfolio dashboard in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.